Here are 5 important updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including a potential issue regarding supply for 2025. First, let's delve into the display technology. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will feature enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles. You might expect Samsung to adopt the latest M14 display panel, but surprisingly, they are sticking with the M13 panel from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In contrast, rivals such as the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL have already embraced the M14 display technology. This choice seems to indicate that Samsung is looking to save costs by relying on last year's display. As devices increasingly incorporate AI capabilities, manufacturers are facing rising costs related to power, memory, and storage, leading them to compromise on display quality. While it remains unclear how Samsung intends to achieve the proposed improvements with the older M13 panel, Ice Universe has not retracted his claims, suggesting there might still be upgrades. However, it is disappointing for consumers who are willing to pay a premium for a flagship device that lacks the latest display innovations, especially when the M14 offers a significant 20 to 30% increase in efficiency. Next up, let's explore the color options for the Galaxy S25 series. The standard S25 will be available in colors such as Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green. The S25 Plus will add Midnight Black to the mix, while the S25 Ultra will feature Titanium Black, Titanium Blue, Titanium Gray, and Titanium Silver. It's important to note that these are the standard color choices, with special online-only colors yet to be unveiled. Shifting gears, Qualcomm recently announced its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and the performance metrics are impressive. In a speedometer test measuring browser responsiveness, the Snapdragon 8 Elite achieved more than double the score of the S24 Ultra and even surpassed the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This suggests that users can expect a notably smoother and quicker browsing experience with the S25 Ultra compared to its predecessor. Notably, all models in the S25 lineup will utilize this chipset, marking a shift away from previous years that featured Exynos and MediaTek alternatives. However, there is a looming concern regarding Qualcomm's licensing agreement with ARM, which could leave Samsung without access to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for the S25 Ultra. Qualcomm's 2021 acquisition of Nuvia, which had its own ARM license, has led to legal disputes about design transfers. ARM has issued a 60-day notice for Qualcomm to renegotiate their agreement, or they risk losing access to ARM's technology. If Qualcomm cannot resolve this issue, it could disrupt supply chains for major manufacturers like Samsung and OnePlus. Despite these challenges, I believe a settlement is likely, as both companies are mutually dependent. Should negotiations fail, the fallout could have widespread implications for the tech industry as a whole. What are your thoughts on these developments? I'm eager to hear your opinions.